What does detention mean? Options are A. Release, B. Holding someone, C. Payment, D. Travel. The correct answer is holding someone. What does interrogate mean? Options are A. Ignore, B. Question deeply, C. Help, D. Follow. The correct answer is question deeply. What is a suspect? Options are A. Victim, B. Officer, C. Possible criminal, D. Witness. The correct answer is possible criminal. What is custody? Options are A. Freedom, B. Controlled by police, C. A place, D. A report. The correct answer is controlled by police. What does file a report mean? Options are A. Delete, B. Record, C. Hide, D. Send. The correct answer is record. What is a charge? Options are A. Payment, B. Accusation, C. Warning, D. Order. The correct answer is accusation. What is bail? Options are A. Punishment, B. Temporary release, C. Arrest, D. Evidence. The correct answer is temporary release. What is a confession? Options are A. Denial, B. Admission, C. Question, D. Report. The correct answer is admission. What is a warrant? Options are A. Request, B. Permission order, C. Fine, D. Tool. The correct answer is permission order. What is testimony? Options are A. Story, B. Formal statement, C. Note, D. Sign. The correct answer is formal statement.